This is a presentation about race condition errors. So what is a race condition? A race condition is a situation that occurs when a device or system is trying to perform two or more operations at once, but because of how the device or system works, the operations must be done in the proper sequence to be done correctly. So here this picture is just showing thread 0, thread 1, if they are sharing a variable that could create an error. So when does race condition occur? It occurs when two different threads are trying to access a shared variable at the exact same time. So the first and second thread are trying to perform operations on the same value, and they're racing to see which one can write the variable last, because whatever thread writes the variable last, that value gets preserved because it writes over the value that was set by the previous thread. So a little comparison to better understand race condition is that race condition can be compared to a horse race. A program does multiple tasks at once, and in a horse race you have multiple horses going at once, so each horse would represent each separate thread. And so that would work if any horse wins in case there is a race condition. And then a specific example would be that the application would work if you say horse number 3 wins, but it crashed if any other horse won. And a solution to that, to fix it, would be to let horse number 3 win by having the other ones just slow down, go slower, to let horse number 3 go ahead and win. And so since computers run at different speeds, race conditions can go unnoticed on some systems, but they may be easily noticed on other systems. And so symptoms for race condition are that there are unpredictable values of variables since they're shared between various threads. And so you may end up with a value that changes like each time the program is run, and so that output value is just inconsistent, which would be representative of a race condition error. And so if these threads are just executed separately, the variable value would behave like it's supposed to and be correct. Now, critical sections are where the problems are where there's one or more threads that access the same resources. However, it'd be okay if the resources didn't change, and so it would be safe to let the multiple threads read the same resource. And so here's just a short little example of Java coding of a critical section. And so you have public class counter, long count equals 0, public void add long value, this dot count equals this dot count plus value. And so this section of Java coding would actually fail if it was accessed by multiple threads at once. Now, this presentation was just hope it helped understand more about race condition errors and concepts behind it, and provided you with an example to also help better understand it.